Is it on?
I think so.
All right, let's do this. Hi, I'm Jake Harper, and this is the human volcano. We begin by drinking a warm can of Diet Coke.
That's not Coke, dude.
Yeah, my dad did the shopping. Anyway, a warm Diet Cola product. And now, I will swallow a Mentos. Mentos. Now, I will lay on the floor.
Goggles?
Right, safety first.
You feel anything yet?
Oh yeah, it's working.
If it starts coming out the back door, pull your pants down and roll over.
Good thinking.
Hey, what's going on?
Had a good time, Dad.
What are you doing on the floor? What the hell are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Are you all right?
Yeah, we were just making a video. Hold on. Cool stunts.
Cool stunts? In God's name, why?
You've heard of Jackass?
Yeah?
We are dumbass.
What are you doing down there?
Wiping up cola vomit my son spewed in my face.
Oh, great. The human volcano worked.
You knew about this?
It was my idea.
You're kidding.
Yeah, it'll make a great first episode of the Asketeers.
Actually, I think they went with dumbass.
Damn, I already had a bunch of t-shirts made up.